Noyain, PDRN, nature's gift, refined by science. In the depths of nature exists the core mechanism that drives skin renewal. PDRN is extracted from the reproductive cells of salmon and consists of polynucleotide fragments that exhibit a high degree of structural similarity to human DNA. Owing to its excellent biocompatibility, PDRN effectively promotes cellular regeneration and tissue repair. It stimulates collagen synthesis, significantly enhancing skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. PDRN improves cutaneous microcirculation, reinforces the skin barrier, alleviates sensitivity, evens skin tone, and restores a healthy, radiant complexion. The efficacy of PDRN is well supported by extensive scientific journal. PDRN activates the skin's natural regenerative processes, helping restore youthful vitality. Turning clinical skincare science into your everyday routine, PDRN offers a scientifically advanced solution for skin rejuvenation. Cutting-edge purification technologies ensures safety, high efficacy of our PDRN. Each batch of raw material undergoes rigorous testing for purity, biological activity, and safety. The final product is available in two highly purified forms, powder and liquid, to accommodate diverse formulation requirements. Noyain PDRN is manufactured in GMP Standards Workshop, ensuring the safety, stability, and efficacy of raw materials from the source. PDRN, the star ingredient, driving the next generation of professional, effective medical-grade skincare. Now is the time to launch your own PDRN-based skincare line and seize the rising market trend in anti-aging innovation. For sample requests and customized formulation support, please contact our distributors.